Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, XIAOMI Mi Home application and XIAOMI Mi Air Purifier 3C device. And now I'm going to show you how to remotely change the mode of this device to change the speed of cleaning your air. Okay, firstly, just open XIAOMI Home application. Then you will find here your XIAOMI Air Purifier 3C device. Just click on it, and here you will see three modes. So, auto mode, detecting the PM2 in your air, and if XIAOMI Air Purifier 3C will detect most of PM2 parts of your air, this mode will take your device on performance mode. You can use night mode. In this mode, your device will work only quiet. So if you want to use manual mode, you can change the performance of your device. So you can choose it to work in 3 and 5 meters room, or you can change it to 23 to 40 meters of room max. So that's it, you can do it remotely. Your device just needs to be connected to Wi-Fi network on your home, and when you at work, for example, and you want to go to back home, you can just enable manual mode to clean your air before you're returning home. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.